Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make dango. Do you know dango? Dango is a small mochi. Mochi is a rice cake. 3 mochis and a skewer. It's called dango. And we usually eat dango at springtime under the sakura cherry blossoms and with matcha or green tea. But you can buy this dango at convenience store or supermarket. And today I want to show you how to make them at home. It's a very home-style dango. As for toppings, I'm planning to put Mitarashi. It's a soy sauce and sugar-based sauce. And also red bean paste. We say anko in Japanese. And then about anko, red bean paste, there's another recipe on my YouTube channel. So I put link maybe up there. So please check it out. And for Mitarashi sauce, I make the recipe from scratch with using microwave. And since it's home cooking, so I use microwave this time. But you can also use gas or IH. And for a special menu, I want to try Yomogi dango. Yomogi is a plant, it's an edible plant, and it has a green color like matcha or green tea. So I'll put Yomogi powder in a mochi shiratamako powder. Mochi powder, and mix all together with using hands. It's like doing a Play-Doh, and my family loves these sweets. I'm sure they're happy that I make dango today. So please try this recipe for your family and friends. Okay, shall we start? Okay, let's start cooking. Here are the ingredients. Okay, dango is done. So let's try tasting. So here's the Mitarashi dango, which has a soy sauce based sauce. And this is a dango with red bean paste. Plain dango with red bean paste. And this is a Yomogi dango with red bean paste. And I prepared matcha. Okay, I try Mitarashi dango first. Itadakimasu. The dango is very chewy, and the sauce is very not too salty, not too sweet, so it's very well balanced. I like the sauce. Now let's try the dango with anko. This one, itadakimasu. This is very nice too. Homemade red bean paste is always the best. So I really recommend to make from scratch. Now the last one, Yomogi and red bean paste. Yeah, so this Yomogi has a very unique and very rich taste from the edible plant Yomogi. So if you're in Japan, or if you can buy the powder, Yomogi powder, please try it out. Now matcha time. Dango and matcha the best. So how was the dango recipe today? Do you think it's easy to make at home? I hope so. And I use yomogi powder to add green colors today. But you can also use anuddu vegetables or food coloring to add color, of course. So please try making your own recipe. If you have a question, please always ask me. Okay, so thank you for watching, everyone. So see you next time. Bye bye.